Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in Flagstar online banking account. For that, firstly, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can search flagstar.com and press enter. Now you will be directly led to this home page, and at the top right, you can see the option login. You have to click over there. After that, firstly, you need to choose the account type, that is online banking, my loans, credit card, private banking, business banking, or Flagstar Corporate Connect. Now for this video, we will go for online banking. Now if you haven't created yourself an account, then you can click on sign up and they will be guiding you further to create your Flagstar account. If you have your account, then simply enter your username and password. Now in case if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can click on forgot username or password option and they will be guiding you further to recover it. If not, then you can simply click on login and you will be successfully logged into your Flagstar banking account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.